Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to scan your Windows PC using the Malicious Software Removal Tool, also known as MRT. This is a built-in tool from Microsoft that helps detect and remove certain types of malware. First, press Win plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type MRT and press Enter. The Malicious Software Removal Tool window will open. Click Next to proceed. Now you'll see three scan options. Quick Scan scans common areas where malware is usually found. Full Scan scans your entire system but takes longer. Custom Scan lets you select specific folders or drives to scan. Choose the scan type that suits your needs and click Next. The tool will now scan your system. This may take a few minutes to several hours, depending on the selected scan type. Once completed, it will show the results. If any threats are found, the tool will attempt to remove them automatically. That's how you can use Malicious Software Removal Tool to scan your PC for malware. Keep in mind that Malicious Software Removal Tool is not a full antivirus solution. For better protection, consider using Windows Defender or a third-party antivirus program. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.